The World Health Organization has added its voice to those in this country upset by the government's suspension of visas from Ebola-stricken West Africa. Today, the group demanded Canada justify a move that few other nations have made. Adrian Arsenault explains.
In Ebola-haunted West Africa, where many so often cope alone, word spreads fast about the people and countries which step up. It spreads equally fast, almost virally, about the countries whose actions hurt. What Canada has just done seems to seriously sting. The government views the decision as discriminatory, said the Deputy Information Minister of Sierra Leone, coming at a time when we're trying to ease the isolation and not reinforce it. What Canada has done in the name of protecting Canadians from Ebola is largely suspend visa and residency applications from those coming from the affected countries or from those who have traveled to that region within the last 3 months. This is rare. Canada and Australia are the only developed nations trying this move. There is one country, though, that is taking it a little bit further with an outright ban, and that is North Korea. Maybe the Hermit Kingdom doesn't have to explain itself, but Canada is being asked to. The World Health Organization today demanding a justification for the move that many scientists consider dubious.
This is where our attention should really be.
Some top minds in international health law seem stumped.
We're stigmatizing Africans. For example, the visa restrictions allow Canadians to return as if Canadians aren't susceptible to transmitting this. And I just hope that other countries don't see this as a reason to then not report on future pandemics.
Odd, he adds, that it's Canada acting this way. When SARS struck and the WHO issued a travel warning against Toronto, Canada was so upset about the economic fallout that it helped draft new procedures preventing unfair restrictions. So some argue this move breaks those regulations. Leo Johnson just seems clear the move breaks his heart.
I was shocked, and for the first time, I really felt disappointed being a Canadian citizen, really disappointed.
He never thought he'd say that. Coming here as a child refugee from Liberia, now working for a charity that serves needy Canadian kids, he's been trying for years to get his mom to come visit the Canada he adores. Only now, the maternity nurse is being told her application is suspended. Devastating for his family, worse, he argues, it's dangerous for Canadians, because he fears people will sneak out of West African countries and travel unchecked.
Which is the most dangerous situation, because then we can't track anybody. We don't know who's who.
The Ebola effect has just frozen nations in fear, and in the name of making it all better, the problem is it could all get worse. Adrian Arsenault, CBC News, Toronto.